Hi guys, are you looking for the best resin 3D printer? You are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to review the top 5 best resin 3D printer on Amazon. I have selected all these resin 3D printers based on research, reviews, orders, and rating. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon get more videos. I included all these products link in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. At number 1, Creality LD002R. LD002R equipped with an air filtering system. There is a small box at the rear of the print chamber containing a pouch of activated carbon, which can help to remove part of the stench of exposed resin from the air. IT uses the latest version of CHITUBOX slicing software, which gives you an extraordinary user experience. CHITUBOX takes only 1 minute to slice 30 megabits.stl model files, while the open-sourced slicing software would take up to 10 minutes. Incredible precision and resolution, 30W powerful UV light for fast printing, ensuring 4s per layer. It also uses a 2560 by 1442 HD masking LCD. Easy to set up, easy to choose printing file, and view print progress through a user-friendly 3.5 full-color touchscreen. Level the platform by adjusting 4 hex screws, loosen them before dropping the plate, and it will align to the level of the screen. LD002R allows you to start printing job within 5 minutes after assembly. At number 2, ANYCUBIC Photon S 3D Printer. Great starter 3D printer, super easy to set up since it comes almost entirely pre-assembled, comes with all the proper tools to get started, and just a single grub screw to level instead of having to level each corner. A great introduction to 3D printing. With the dual rails, no worry about the Z-wobble issue. The dual Z-axis rail makes the bed very stable. This helps with the movement and to make sure the bed does not shift in the middle of printing. A better choice for large XY objects with super fine details. Upgraded LED array. With the UV upgraded lighting, it makes the resolution and the accuracy in your printing that much better and tighter than any other 3D printer in its class. The pitting in the skin, the hair, and the texture in the clothing all can show up. More function. 1 touch screen. Offer a new level use experience. 2 sanded aluminum platform. Greatly enhance adhesion, make it more stable during printing. 3 double air filtration system. Effectively reduce the divergence of odor. 4 CE certified power supply. At number 3, ELEGOO Mars UV. ELEGOO Mars comes with the latest version of CHITUBOX slicing software, which gives you an extraordinary user experience. CHITUBOX takes only 1 minute to slice 30 megabits.stl model files, while the open-sourced slicing software would take up to 10 minutes. It allows you to hollow out your model before slicing, which could save your resin dramatically during the photocuring process. Equipped with 40W UV lights and using ELEGOO resin, you can get a better printing result. 3.5-inch color touchscreen equipped with the latest ELEGOO CHITUBOX 5.5 system makes it very easy for offline printing. The build platform with a steel ball balancing structure inside allows you to start printing within 5 minutes after assembly. Mars uses a 2560 by 1442 HD masking LCD to provide accurate printing with an XY axis resolution of 0.00185 inches, 0.047 millimeters. Total 1-year machine warranty, 3-month warranty for FEP and 2K LCD consumable parts. At number 4, Longer Orange 30. Orange 30 is a higher precision resin 3D printer, with a built-in 2K LCD screen at 2560 by 1440 resolution and 47.25 micrometers pixel size, offering a bigger size of printing at 4.72 by 2.68 by 6.69 inches. Improved solid linear guide and special slider design to enhance the accuracy and stability of Z-axis. Integrated with matrix UV LED arrays, Orange 30 provides better printing performance since the matrix illumination provides better uniformity, higher intensity, and a shorter time of curing. Full color touchscreen, real-time printing status preview, easy leveling, an upgraded trough with scale, more convenient, Longer self-developed slicing software, output 100 slicing file in 1 minute, 3 times faster. Smart support generation in 1 click. Also supported by CHITUBOX. Temperature detection system included. The system will stop printing when the temperature is too high. Equipped with a high-efficiency cooling system to improve the lifespan of this 3D printer. The printer comes without resin, 12-month machine warranty and lifetime technical support. At number 5, ANYCUBIC Photon Mon. SLA 3D printer, entry-level, easy to set up. Full metal and CNC structure build quality. Build the platform with a steel ball balancing structure offers more easiness to leveling. Get rid of FDM leveling difficulties. Innovation design, inner-built air purification system with activated carbon. Unique resin vat prolongs the serving life for FEP film. Photon supports offline print with a built-in operational system, truly hassle-free. Photon slicer takes only 1 minute to slice a 30 mstl file, while the open-source slicing software would take up to several minutes. Relatively simple to use. With the 2.8-inch color touchscreen, preview and monitor print status in real time. High precision, 2560 by 1442 kHD masking LCD provides perfect printing details with a Z-axis resolution. 50 LED light source allows even light distribution and fast printing. Multiple models on a build plate don't add to the build time. 1-year machine warranty, 2K LCD and FEP film excluded. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next video.